Hi, I'm Ron Schlegel. I've been a psychotherapist for over 30 years, and I have 7 tips for you on how to lower your stress. Here's number 1. Eat a healthy diet. Take time to enjoy your meal. Avoid unhealthy foods and snacks, especially those high in sugar and fats. This may sound obvious and overly simple, but it's true. Our bodies have an amazing ability to recover from stress, but they need the right fuel to restabilize quickly and efficiently. Number 2, get enough sleep. Everyone is different in what they need in terms of sleep, but your stress level can be greatly reduced by taking the time you need to get deep, restful sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, you may want to consult professionals who can help you determine what might be causing the difficulty. It could be medical, but it also could be psychological. Number 3, exercise. This can make a huge difference in how you manage stress. Just getting out for a walk, riding a bike, or moving in general is a wonderful stress reliever. As you may know, exercise releases endorphins that naturally help you feel better. Number 4, get out in nature. It has a way of helping people to get recentered and feel grounded. If you're so inclined, walk barefoot on the ground. Research shows that touching the earth with your bare feet or skin has real benefit to your overall sense of well-being. Number 5, meditate or listen to relaxing music. Both of these tools can help one shift their mood quickly and relieve stress. Number 6, reach out to a friend or friends. Socializing can help one change their mood quickly. It can be very helpful to talk about your feelings and to get support. However, try not to get stuck on what is stressing you out, but rather focus on what is good and what is working in your life. And lastly, number 7, find your own unique ways to relax and reduce stress. You want to have a toolbox full of ways to reduce stress for yourself. These tools should be tools you know work for you. Some may work better sometimes than others. So if one tool is not working for you right now, try another. Some examples are hobbies and creative pursuits such as painting, woodworking, photography, etc. What about active sports such as racquetball, basketball, skateboarding, etc.? Other activities could be fishing, sailing, swimming, taking a class, volunteering. You get the idea. You need to not only find ways to reduce your stress, but to make the time to do so. You deserve it. You can put your own needs first. Just like on the airlines, you need to put on your own oxygen mask first, then help others. Your life depends on it, and so do the lives of the ones you care about. Start reducing your stress and find the peace you deserve. If you like these tips, hit the like button below. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to my channel. Best wishes.